Welcome to the British Virgin Islands. This little archipelago sits right in the middle of the Caribbean and consists of 60 islands, 14 of which are inhabited. Life on the BVI is all about beaches, rum, music, and smiles. The BVI call themselves nature's little secrets, and some of the spots you find here seem to prove them right. Every island seems to have its own unique character. And you will find stunning places like this gorgeous beach hidden behind a field of rocks.
The best way of seeing all of the British Virgin Islands is by boat.
But you don't have to be a millionaire to drive one of these big yachts, as you can actually rent them. Option 1 is a sailboat, but this is obviously much better if you know how to sail. Option 2 is a motorized catamaran. If you don't know how to drive that one, you can rent it with a skipper who accompanies you for the whole way through the British Virgin Islands.
Now you probably want to know what it looks like traveling around the British Virgin Islands by boat. Let me show you. And there we are, on board of one of the power cats. This big baby here hosts up to 10 people.
And life aboard one of these ships really offers all the amenities you might ask for. On board of the Power Cat, you have plenty of options to hang out. For example, here, 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 or here.
When you get to one of the beautiful spots in the BVI, you either tie your boats to one of the mooring buoys or find a place in one of numerous marinas.
And for sunset, you can take a sub for a ride, if you can. Or you try this new way of supping, recently invented by yours truly.
And in between sailing, make time for one of the signature drinks of the British Virgin Islands, a painkiller. Good stuff.
And then of course you're in the Caribbean, so you can jump right into the water! Ah!
Exactly.
Now if you know how to sail and you're more the competitive type of person, it is worth checking out all the regattas taking place here in the Caribbean, like the German organized Caribik Trophy.
I now hand you over to the locals who have their own reasons why you should come visit the BVI.
We got 60 unique islands and it's very easy to navigate, so I think you should come and support the BVI.
People need to come and see the British Virgin Islands because it's one of the most beautiful places on earth.
Come and visit us, support, and learn about the island's culture.
The welcoming nature of the people is definitely one of the things that you should come and experience.
For those who haven't been here, don't be a stranger. We'll make sure we leave the doors unlocked and the lights on so you can just come at any time.
This is the most beautiful place in the world to come and see.
We have lovely sun, lovely rum, and lovely people, lovely smiles.
We really enjoy you being here in our island.
You will definitely enjoy the experience in fabulous weather.
Over the side, Choshi Pantalet, over the side, Choshi Pantalet, over the side.